Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Owl, and welcome to day 2 of my Spellbinders 2024 Crafty Advent series. Spellbinders generously sent me one of their advent calendars to open and share with you here on my channel. So each day from the 1st to the 24th, I'm going to have a quick and fun video to show you what's behind the new door and create a project. For day 2, the gift was a stamp set. It features 2 stamps, 1 floral cluster, and then a Hello Friend sentiment. I'm going to start by doing the stamping, and for this I cut a piece of white cardstock to a 2 3/4 inch square, and because I think that floral cluster would look great in a corner, I did put that down in the bottom left, and I went ahead and got the sentiment put on at the same time as well, just to make things go quickly. I'm going to stamp this with some Versafine Clair Nocturne ink. I did ink it up and stamp it twice because I wanted it nice and juicy, because I'm going to be heat embossing this with some clear embossing powder. Once the powder was set, I brought in my Decogel StarSparks and I did some quick and easy coloring. There isn't shading on this, but because of all the sparkle and shine in the pens, it adds some more just texture and fun. I used 3 different colored pens for this, a green, a yellow, and a pink, and once I was done with the coloring, I did set this off to the side for a while, even try to dry it a little bit with my embossing tool, because I didn't want the ink to transfer to my fingers or anything else. If you are enjoying this series, I think you're going to love my daily Advent lives. Make sure to check out the link at the top of the description box below and join me for the next live stream, where I will be opening multiple crafty calendars and creating a new tag each day. While the image was drying, I cut a piece of gold glitter cardstock to a 3-inch square, thinking this would make a nice sparkly mat for the image, and because glitter is sometimes hard to get stuff to adhere to, I was very generous with the liquid glue on the back. For this series, I made a special little mini photo album, and each day's creation is going to get turned into kind of an instant photo, or what you might know as a polaroid. So once I had my square done, I got it added to the top center of my background piece, and then it's just going to get put back in the album, so at the end of the month I will be able to go back and just see what each day's little gift was. It's such a fun and cute way to remember this series. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel and you would like to be notified of my next Advent video, make sure to click on that subscribe button below and ring the bell for all notifications. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.